come down, I gotta take a left or right on Blue Ridge.
I'm finding out.
Responding units be advised, there's no danger of it spreading to another building. Per the caller, he did advise there's a tractor parked out front near the building. It may be in danger of catching on fire. Still has not hurt any people or animals inside.
You gotta get Dylan across from North Star, okay?
Yeah, the little store.
Yep.
Or the old gas station. There's rain. We need to decide where they're going to put a dump tank or whatever. Lay some 5-inch in. Think they're going to bring the tank up?
On that, yeah. My page on that seat. The one that's either right there or right here.
Did you say we're marking them out already?
Yep.
I thought they did.
No 752.
Dad, it's gonna be a left.
Okay.
752. No 752 is on scene. We have one barn structure flame showing from Alpha side. We'll be out investigating. We'll be establishing command and passing to the first two fire trucks. 10752 on scene. One barn structure. Fire on Alpha side. Out investigating 150. Fire type dispatch perfection 2.
There is.
Engine 6, engine 7, channel back. done. UV on channel 5, engine 7 has traffic for you on 5.
Engine 7, engine 2, go ahead.
Yeah, this looks like it's going to be a working fire. We're going to stop the supply line right there at Mill Creek if y'all want to set up a draft out of the creek right there.
Careful.
Engine 7, 752.
Go ahead.
Small fire started in the corner of the structure. Has not taken off through the structure yet.
Okay, thank you, Bishop. Thank you.
First engine, first tanker should have enough.
Tanker 2 en route, channel 5, 153.
Dylan, I'll tell you which line, all right?
Yeah.
Probably do it with inch 3/4. If we can get it close enough, just go with the bumper line.
Okay.
How's that engine 2?
Engine 2.
Engine 22's on scene. Show 217 in command.
Engine 2 on scene, 157.
Spotted out EMS 7.
EMS 7.
Arrived.
On scene, 157.
Engine 7 from command. You'll be fire attack group 1.
Okay.
We on 5 or 3?
Engine 3 from command. Meet up with engine 7. Assist them. Fire attack group 1. Command, attack group 1. 685 knockdown. Alright, you thought we can hold these 3 engines to be good? Yeah, if I understand handle what's on the thing. Spotted out either direct, units on scene can't handle. Be holding all companies on scene.